Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to use the latest version of Instagram app to see this type of message. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error message, use the latest version of Instagram app to see this type of message, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just tap on the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. In this you need to find Instagram, tap on the search button, then search for Instagram, tap on the Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, once tap on clear cache. After that here you will find clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. After reading this, just tap on delete, then go back, open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can use the latest version of Instagram app to see this type of message error on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.